Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error ban 84. So on your Windows search, go type services and then go find VGC. In here you'll see the status and startup type, so it's running but it's in manual. So go right click and click on properties and then change the startup type to automatic and then click apply and OK. And once it's done, close your services and then on your search bar again, find System Configuration. Now click on the Services tab and hide all Microsoft services. Now once again, find VGC. Usually when it's on error, the box isn't checked, so you need to check it and then click Apply and click OK. Then this message will be shown, so you need to restart your laptop and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching!